Running into problems while importing data into Baserow. Import errors can happen for several reasons, including formatting issues, unsupported file types, or mismatched field settings. The good news is that most of these problems are easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Baserow import errors in 2026. First, make sure you're using a supported file format. CSV files are commonly used and usually provide the most reliable import experience. Next, review your file and confirm that every column has a clear header. Missing or duplicate column names can sometimes cause import issues. Look through your file for empty rows, broken formatting, or unusual characters. Cleaning up unnecessary data can often solve import problems immediately. Make sure your data matches the field types you plan to use in Baserow. For example, date fields should contain dates, and number fields should contain numeric values. When Baserow displays field mapping options, carefully review them before importing. Incorrect mappings can lead to failed imports or misplaced information. If you're importing a very large dataset, try splitting it into smaller files. Large imports may take longer or encounter issues depending on system limits. After making your corrections, save the updated file and try importing it again. Most import errors are resolved once formatting and field issues are fixed, and that's how to fix Baserow import errors in 2026. By checking file formats, cleaning your data, and reviewing field settings, you can usually solve import problems quickly. So take a few minutes to review your file and your data should import successfully. Thanks for watching.